Hello students, this is the chapter India, Size and Location. This chapter belongs from Geography and from ninth class. Students, we live in India as you know very well. Now that where our India located in the entire nation means what is the position where it is situated. So it is situated especially in northern hemisphere. You know in your previous classes that equator divide our entire earth two equal separate part, north hemisphere and south hemisphere. So India lying especially in northern hemisphere. As you see in this picture clearly, this yellow is India and it located in northern hemisphere. The main land extension between latitude 8 degree 4 north to 37 degree 6 north. This is the latitude expansion and the longitudinal expansion is 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east. The Tropic of Cancer, especially which entered in Gujarat region, which position is 23 and half north, it's divide our entire India almost two equal parts, the southeast and the northeast. The Andaman, especially the southwest mainland, the Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep Island, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Find out the extent of these groups of island in your atlas or in next page when you see the map. Now, second thing, what is the size of our India? The land mass of India is an area near about 3.28 million square kilometer. ये अपने इंडिया का एरिया है. अब इंडिया के एरिया को हम वर्ल्ड्स के एरिया से अगर कंपेयर करते हैं तो नियर अबाउट 2.4% हमारे अर्थ का एरिया वर्ल्ड के कंपेरेटिवली हमारे अर्थ का एरिया है. नेक्स्ट, इफ वी गोज दैट द व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ our India in the comparatively in the world. So India is the seventh largest country in the world. India has land boundary of 15,200 kilometers and the total length of coastline and mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island is 7,516.6 kilometers. If we watch this one, then we find out that the maximum area having Russia, then Canada, then after USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India. You know that the India have according to this figure seventh position in the area. India is bounded by the Young Folded Mountain, especially in northwest, northeast, south, about 22 north latitude. It begins the taper and extends toward the Indian Ocean, divided into two seas. West in the India is especially surrounded by three major water bodies. In the west, Arabian Sea, in the east, Bay of Bengal, and in the southern part of India, Indian Ocean line. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours because in Gujarat, the longitudinal lines shows the time and latitude line was shows the temperature. So there is 2 hours time between the time period of Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. Hence the time along the standard meridian time of India 82 and half passing through Mirzapur. इट्स मीन भारत का जो टाइम लाइन सेट किया गया है, भारत का जो टाइम सेट किया गया है वो 82 एंड हाफ ईस्ट से ये लॉन्गिट्यूड लाइन है, इससे इंटायर इंडिया का टाइम सेट किया गया है. सो दैट व्हेन वी गो इन गुजरात और अरुणाचल प्रदेश और केरला, एनीवेयर वी गो द टाइम इज सेम इंटायर नेशन. मतलब भारत का टाइम पूरे देश में हर समय एक ही होता है, जो कि एक जगह से सेट किया गया है, दैट इज नोन 82 एंड हाफ ईस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड मिर्जापुर. ये मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं. द लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंस इन्फ्लुएंस द ड्यूरेशन डे एंड नाइट एज वन फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ टू साउथ. इन दिस मैप you know that this is the Bay of Bengal, which lies especially in east. This south is Indian Ocean, and this one is Arabian Sea. And this line is known as Tropic of Cancer. Now, in India and the world, the Indian landmass has the central location between east and west. India has southward extension, and the routes which goes through Indian Ocean, which connect the country Europe in the west and the countries of east, provide a straight central location India. Note that Deccan Peninsula. The question is that what is peninsula? Peninsula means a major landmass. I tell you through this map, a major landmass is, if you watch in southern point of India, the major landmass which surround its three sides, that is Bay of Bengal in east, in south Indian Ocean, and in west Arabian Sea. So the definition of peninsula is that the major landmass which surrounded its three side major water bodies, that's known as the peninsula. That's known as